Another day's in the books, guys, and let me tell you, you probably guessed it, right? Nvidia had another red day. Not too bad, not too bad. It went down, what, 1%? It actually was down a bit more earlier, and the overall market didn't have a great day. I mean, the Dow was the only green index, up, what, 0.3, 0.4%, and the S&P, the Russell, the Qs, pretty much broke even, but they were leaning a bit more red, so we have to break down the indices quickly and go over Nvidia, the price action, what I'm looking to do, and yeah, let's dive into it. Hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, join my Patreon if you guys want to keep up with my portfolio updates, my trades, investments, all the moves I'm making in real time, and if you want to be a part of my private Discord, all of that's linked down below, pinned in the comments, or simply go to stasurfest.com/Patreon. And now, with that being said, cheers. I'm drinking a coffee at 7 p.m., guys. It's that type of day. Let's dive into it. So, we had another red day, like I said, in Nvidia stock today, 1% down, and earlier in the day, we actually got down to 208. So we're getting some very good opportunities in this market, in my opinion, as Nvidia is starting to slip down to the low 200s. And you guys know my macro opinion here, where I see Nvidia going. We're not going to harp on that too much. I think it's a $300 stock. Beyond that, to be honest, over the coming years, and anything in the low 200s, high 100s, mid hundreds especially, it's load the boat territory for the stock. For a company that's ridiculously profitable, they're growing what, 80-90% top line still. They're doing an $80 billion buyback. I mean, you could go on and list reasons why Nvidia is a buy, and the charts back up the fundamentals, right? And like I said, bring it lower. I mean, not too low. I don't want it too low, guys. I mean, look, if it starts falling down to 150 to 70 again, I'm going to be a little pissed, I'll be honest. But I'm down for it to come down. I'm cool with it coming down to 200, maybe a little lower, because that might be the last time that we get Nvidia, on that, type of dip, right? Because structurally, it's still breaking out. This stock was trading sideways, like I've been saying time and time again. It's traded sideways for months. I mean, if you guys look at the 1-year chart, we literally traded sideways for almost a year. We're talking from, August of last year, July, August, all the way up until April. That's when it started breaking out of 185, 200. Then it started going towards 240. So in my opinion, man, this is still not even an opinion. It's a fact. It's structurally still breaking out. And anywhere in this pocket on the 1-year chart is a buy the dip opportunity, whether it's at 190, 95, 200. And again, I don't want it to go too low. I mean, listen, if it got down to 150, I'd be mad, like I said. But anywhere in this window is a breakout, or not a breakout, but a buy the dip within the overall breakout. Because look, let me get the channel tool out for those that need to see it visually a bit better. This is how we were trading for a long time. Do you think Nvidia is just going to break out for a month and then go right back down into this channel? I don't see it happening with how their guidance looked, right? The $80 billion buyback program, I'm sure they're going to up that in the next quarter, maybe the quarter after that. So in my eyes, man, Nvidia is just now breaking out. It's just now breaking out, and we're getting a second opportunity, really, to jump into it, within the breakout. We had an opportunity. The first opportunity was back in the end of April when it ran to 220, 215. That was an all-time high at that time. Then it pulled back to about 190.95. That was the first opportunity to get in on the dip within the overall breakout. And again, this is the second opportunity as it ran to 236, took out that previous 215 high from the end of April. Now it's starting to pull back. And if this chart plays out like I think it will, I don't see it going much under 200, 205, really. So in other words, I think we're nearing the bottom on Nvidia. right now. And I'm not saying it's going to V-shape recover tomorrow and go to all-time highs. It's going to take some time. I just don't see it going much lower. In fact, I think we're going to get consolidation. I think, once we find support, whether it's 205, 210, I think we'll chop around a little bit, and then we're going to start to recover because look, this stock is destined for the mid-high 200s, 300. In my opinion, I'm as confident as ever that it's going there. So any dip I'm seeing is a buying opportunity, especially if you have time on your side. Now, if you only have a month, if you're like, Stas, I need a trade that's going to work for the next 3 weeks, I don't know if Nvidia is the name for you, right? There are other stocks that I'd point you to, right? I'm not telling you what to do. I can't tell you what to buy, but Nvidia might not be for you if you're looking at a 2-3 week trade to make a bunch of money. Maybe you should go to memory for that. Maybe you should go to other stocks in the space stocks maybe, right? Nvidia is more of a 3, 6, 9 month play at minimum, and of course a longer term play as well. So it's just a no-brainer at this point, right? We're gonna continue covering the charts here, man, because they look great, and the lower it gets here within this structural breakout, the more excited I get to add more to my position, which I think I added more. The most recent buy for me was right around 170. I'm trying to remember where I added it though. Was it right around here on this dip in March at 170, or was it on the rebound? Either way, I added more at 170, and for me to buy even more, again, 200, 205, we're pretty much right there. That's where I'm looking. That's where I'm looking to buy more, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I got a tickle in my throat. Let me get a little coffee here, guys. That'll cure anything, right? All right. So that's kind of where I'm at, and that's where I've been at on the stock, and I'm going to continue pounding the table. So when it does recover, I can pat myself on the back and be like, I told you so, I told you so. And there are some Nvidia naysayers out there, and they're about to get their face ripped off, in my opinion. If you're shorting this stock, if you're buying puts on this stock, you're truly playing with fire. You might as well just go to the casino and throw your money on red or black, play some blackjack, whatever it may be, right? Don't bet against Nvidia. Don't do it. Don't be that guy or girl or gal. Don't do it, right? But yeah, I'll leave it at that here when it comes to Nvidia. And even though we had a type of day in the market, we still had all-time highs all across the board. Can you believe that? I mean, even when the market cools off, it's hitting all-time highs. That's where we're at right now, guys. And, the closer we're getting to a deal, we're getting closer to a deal. It's inevitable. I think we're weeks away, 2, 3, 4 weeks away tops from a deal. And the oil market is kind of showing that. And this chart is not loading. That might be my cue to end the video, guys. Quick video here for this one. But oil is creeping down. I mean, Brent is at 93 a barrel. WTI is at 89. The more it comes down, the more it confirms the fact that, or the idea that, oh, okay, a deal's coming, which, yeah, it might cause a sell the news event in the market like we talked about in my previous video, but that's going to get bought up, right? If the market sells off after the Strait reopens, it's going to get bought up because we all know what's coming after that. A couple months or weeks after the Strait opens, after we potentially get a sell the news event, the market's going to rip, it's going to rebound, and, all the fundamentals look pretty good. Now, are we in a rock-solid, strong economy, booming, everything? Not necessarily, but what we just saw from corporate earnings, especially big tech, man, this party's still going. We're in the midst of it. There's no sign of, corporate earnings slowing down. No signs of, the AI spend slowing. I mean, we're still in this. And I think there's a lot more to go. So with that being said, guys, Nvidia, smash buy in my opinion. Do your own research. I'm long. It's my second biggest stock. Amazon's my number one. And that's where I'm at. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe, join my Patreon for my portfolio updates, my private Discord. All that's linked down below, pinned in the comments, or go to StockSurfest.com/Patreon. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you guys tomorrow.